I am going to discuss one of the Python program to print the following triangle like this triangle. Very first line of this program is non-executable statement which is not executed in the runtime, which start with a hash symbol. It is called a single line command. Next line start with a 3 double quotation and here ending with a 3 double quotation. This is called multi-line command which is not execute in the runtime. Okay, next line I am going to read the n value from the keyboard. The innermost function, input function, is used to read the value from the keyboard. First of all, it will display the message, enter the n value. After the message, the cursor will move to the next line. Why? Because here I am using \n. It is escape sequence character. Whatever value I am reading from the keyboard through input function, it treat as a string, so you should convert it to integer. The outermost function, int function, is used to convert string to integer, then it will assign to n. My input is 4. Okay, here next statement is loop statement I in range, that is 1 to n value 4 plus 1 5. 1 less than 5 condition is true. Every loop statement is end with colon. Okay, condition is true, control comes inside the loop. Here b value, b equal to that range n minus, that is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, that is 3. 3 greater than 0, condition is true, so it will give one blank space. Printf statement, here I am giving within double single quotation, I am giving one blank space. Okay, then cursor will come here and it will decrement the b value. Now b value 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 greater than 0, condition is true, again it will give one blank space. After giving the blank space, control comes here and it will minus b value, that is already 2, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 greater than 0, 1 greater than 0, condition is true, control comes here and it will give one blank space. Then cursor will here end equal to within single quotation means cursor will be there only, next column. Then control comes here, it will subtract the b value. The b value is 1, 1 minus 1, it will become 0. Then it will come and check the condition, 0 greater than 0, condition is false, automatically control transfer here. Now j value equal to, that range is 1 to, j value starting value is 1, end value is, I value is 1, 1 plus 1, end value 2. So 1 less than 2, condition is true, the loop statement is end with a colon. Okay, then it will print the j value is 1 it will print. After that end equal to single quotation, here cursor will be there in the immediate next column. Then control comes here and j value will increment. Current j value is 1, 1 plus 1, that 2, 2 less than 2, condition is false, control comes to here. J value here 2, automatically if you are continuous, if you are using in the next range, automatically 2 will become 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 greater than 0, condition is false, so it won't print any value, automatically control transfer here. Then print, here I didn't print anything, automatically cursor will transfer to next line. Then there is no other statement for outer loop, so automatically control comes here for outer. I value will 1 plus 1, it will become 2, 2 less than 5, condition is true, so control comes here. Now b value once again it will reassign, the n value is 4, I value is 2, 4 minus 2, 2 greater than 0, condition is true, it will give one blank space. End equal to, it will wait immediate next column. Then control comes here, b value 2, 2 minus 1, 1 greater than 0, condition is true, again it will give one blank space. Then cursor will wait in the immediate next column, then b value will subtract here, the 1 minus 1, it will become 0, 0 greater than 0, condition is false, automatically control comes here. And j value in the, this is also one loop statement, j value starting value is 1, the ending value I value 2, 2 plus 1 3, so 1 less than 3, condition is true, end with the colon. Okay, 1 less than 3 means condition is true, control comes here and it will print the j value, that is 1. 1 it will print. End equal to single quotation means cursor will wait in the immediate next column, then control comes here, j value will increment, that is 1 plus 1 it will become 2. Again control comes here and it will print the j value, that is 2. Here cursor will wait in the immediate next column, then control comes here, that is j value 2 plus 1 3 less than 3 condition is false, automatically control comes here. Here continuously we are using in loop j value in another loop, so automatically the j value will decrement by 1. Previously 3 minus 1 2. Now j value 2 minus 1 it will become again 1 greater than 0 condition is true, so it will print the j value, that is here it will print the j value 1. Then cursor will wait immediate next column, then j value 1 minus 1 it will become 0, so condition is false, so control comes here and print statement. Here I didn't print anything, automatically control moves to the next column, so control goes to outer loop I value is 2 plus 1 it will become 3 less than 5, n value is 4 plus 1 5, 3 less than 5 condition is true, control comes inside the loop, b in that b value initial value is 4 minus 3 1 greater than 0 condition is true, so it will give one blank space. After the blank space cursor will wait in the immediate next column, then b value control comes here, b value 1 minus 1 it will become 0 greater than 0 condition is false, control comes here. And here j value in the loop, j value starting value is initial value is 1, I value is 3 plus 1 it will become 4, so 1 less than 4 condition is true, end with the semicolon, control comes here and it will print the j value 1. After that it will wait for immediate next column, then condition control comes here and it will increment the j value 1 plus 1 it will become 2 less than 4 condition is true, again it will print the j value, that is 2. After that it will wait here, then control comes here and it will increment the j value 2 plus 1 it will become 3 less than 4 condition is true, again control comes here and it will print 3. Again control comes here, it will increment the j value, that is 3 plus 1 it will become 4 less than 4 condition is false, control comes here. J value automatically it will decrement, previously 4 minus 1 3, here initial value is again 3 minus 1 it will become 2, j value 2 greater than 0 condition is true, then it will print the j value 2. Again control comes here, j value 2 minus 1 greater than 0 condition is true and it will print the j value is 1. After printing control cursor will wait in the immediate next column, then control comes here and minus 1 j value is 1 minus 1 it will become 0 greater than 0 condition is false, automatically control comes here. In the print statement I didn't print anything, so it will give one new line, the cursor will move from here to here, there is no other statement, control comes here, previous value is 3 plus 1 it will become 4 less than 5 condition is true, so control comes inside the loop, b value n value is 4, I value 4 minus 4 is 0 greater than 0 condition is false, so control comes here, j value is 1 I value is 4 plus 1 5, 1 less than 5 condition is true, so it will print 1. Then it will wait immediate next column, then control comes here and j value will increment 1 plus 1 it will become 2 less than 5 condition is true, again it will print 2. After printing the cursor will wait immediate next column, then control comes here, 2 plus 1 it will become 3 less than 5 condition is true, again it will print 3. then cursor will wait immediate next column, then control comes here, 3 plus 1 it will become 4, 3 plus 1 it will become 4 and it will print 4. Now again control comes here, 4 plus 1 it will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition is false. Then automatically control comes here, J value is 5, 5 minus 1, why? Because we are using in the next range, automatically it will decrement 1, then now 4, 4 minus 1 it will become 3, 3 greater than 0, condition is true, then it will print J value 3, then control comes here and it will minus 3 minus 1 2, 2 greater than 0, condition is true, again it will print 2, then control comes here and it decrement 2 minus 1, 1 greater than 0, condition is true, then it will print 1 here. So after printing, the control comes here and it will decrement the J value 1, 1 minus 1 it will become 0, 0 greater than 0, condition is false, then control comes here. In the print statement I didn't print anything, so automatically cursor will move from here to here, then control comes to outer loop, I value is 4, 4 plus 1 it will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition is true, 5 less than 5, condition is false. The automatically control comes to immediate next statement, there is no other statement, so program is over. You will see the output. F5 to run the program, 5, you can get like this output. Okay, thank you. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon and share to your friends. Thank you.